Top 10 Biggest Animals. Animals take many shapes and forms and come in a great diversity of sizes, from microscopic to the 30 meters long blue whale. Whether you measure in terms of weight, height or length, there is no denying some animals are huge in comparison to others in their class. Number 1. Blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal ever to have lived on Earth. Their tongues alone can weigh as much as an elephant, their hearts, as much as a car. Amazing facts about the blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal ever to have lived on Earth. Despite being so massive, this giant of the ocean feeds on some of the smallest marine life, tiny shrimp-like animals called krill. A single adult blue whale can consume 36,000 kilograms of krill a day. Incredibly, blue whales are graceful swimmers, cruise the ocean at over 8 kilometers per hour, and can reach speeds of over 30 kilometers per hour. They mainly catch their food by diving, and descend to depths of approximately 500 meters. Blue whales have few predators but are known to fall victim to attacks by sharks and killer whales, and many are injured or die each year from impacts with large ships. Blue whale biology. The whale's mouth has a fascinating row of plates fringed with bristles to help it filter its main source of food, plankton, from the water. There is what looks like a mustache of long bristles on the end of each plate to help it hold the minute prey. With each mouthful, the whale can hold up to 5,000 kilograms of water and plankton. Having forced the water out of its mouth, the whale licks these bristles with its fleshy tongue. Although the blue whale is a deep-water hunter, as a mammal, it must come to the surface of the sea to breathe. When it surfaces, it exhales air out of a blowhole in a cloud of pressurized vapor that rises vertically above the water for up to 9 meters. Females breed only once every 3 years and gestation is between 11–12 months. Females usually only have one young. A baby blue whale, calf, emerges weighing up to 7,000 kilograms and up to 8 meters long. Newborn whales are helped to the surface of the water by their mothers and are often encouraged, nudged, by other females so that they can take their first breath of air. The calf is suckled in the water, drinking more than 600 liters of milk each day and gaining about 90 kilograms every day for its first year. Blue whale behavior. Blue whales occasionally swim in small groups but usually swim alone or in pairs. They are thought to form close attachments. Though we can't hear them, blue whales are one of the loudest animals on the planet, communicating with each other using a series of low-frequency pulses, groans, and moans. It is thought that in good conditions blue whales can hear each other across distances of up to 1,600 kilometers. It is thought that whales feel emotions. For example, this incredible story of how a humpback whale showed affection and thanks when it was saved by divers. Conservation status of the blue whale. Intensive hunting in the 1900s by whalers seeking whale oil drove them to the brink of extinction. Hundreds of thousands of whales were killed. The 1966 International Whaling Commission finally gave blue whales protection, although they have only recovered slightly since then. Blue whales are currently classified as endangered on the World Conservation Union (IUCN) Red List. It is estimated that only 10,000 to 25,000 blue whales now swim the world's oceans. Number 2. Colossal squid. Not just a thing of legend, the largest squid documented is over 45 feet, 14 meters, long. Amazing facts about the colossal squid. This mammoth sea creature is very elusive, so not much is known about it. Sperm whales are the only known predator of the colossal squid. Colossal squid live at depths of around 1,000 meters, making it difficult to observe them in their natural habitat. The size of the colossal squid is often exaggerated, with viral posts on the internet saying they can reach 60 feet, 18 meters, or even 90 feet, 27 meters, in length. However, the largest squid documented was 45 feet, 14 meters, long. They have the largest eyes in the animal kingdom, reaching 10–25 centimeters in diameter. Number 3. Elephant. Elephants are highly social animals with incredible memories. This could be attributed to their large brains, which can reach over 5 kilograms in mass. Amazing facts about the elephant. Elephants are smart, social and incredibly strong creatures. An elephant's trunk is so powerful and precise that it can carry cloths and also be used for more delicate tasks like picking flowers. As the largest land mammal, the elephant also has the longest pregnancy at 22 months. Newborn calves weigh around 90 kilograms and are about 3 feet tall. What is the difference between these two? The African elephant is the largest, with huge ears and unisex tusks. The Asian elephant has a large body too, but with smaller ears. The females also do not develop tusks for this species. Are elephants social creatures? Yes. Elephants live and travel in groups which are led by a matriarch female who tends to be an older and experienced member of the group. Males, however, are pushed out of the group when they reach sexual maturity and roam alone when not breeding. Female elephants are known to show caring behavior to fellow females and young calves. They are also thought to hold lifelong relationships with family and friends, just like humans do. This act showcases their brilliant memory, which allows them to remember good water hole and feeding locations. How do elephants communicate with one another? Elephants are famous for their many vocalizations. This includes chirps, trumpets and high-pitched squeaks that can travel far to other groups. Vocalizations are used for both daily communication and to signal willingness to breed. How do we know that elephants are intelligent? Elephants have displayed complex behavior indicating that they feel empathy for others, and are capable of demonstrating other emotions including grief. They are able to use tools and recognize themselves using mirrors. Self-recognition indicates a very high level of awareness. Only cetaceans, magpies, humans and other primates have so far been found to recognize themselves in mirrors. What conservation threats do elephants face? The biggest threat to the elephant is habitat loss. Clearance of land for agricultural purposes and human development is occurring in both Africa and Asia, leaving little space for the elephants to roam freely. As the human population grows, forests are lost and food sources for the elephant are weakened. Number 4. Giraffe. The giraffe is the tallest mammal in the world, with even newborn babies being taller than most humans. Amazing facts about the giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest mammal in the world. Their long legs and necks help them to eat leaves at the top of tall trees that other animals cannot reach. They have long tongues, and no teeth at the front of their top jaw, which helps them to rip leaves from branches. Male giraffes use their necks for fighting, swinging them from side to headbutt their opponent. How many species of giraffe are there? Up until recently, it was thought that there was one extant species of giraffe, Giraffa camelopardalis. However, recent research by scientists has shown that there are 4 species: northern giraffe, Giraffa camelopardalis, southern giraffe, giraffe, Maasai giraffe, Giraffa tipulskirchi, and reticulated giraffe, Giraffa reticulata. What do giraffes look like? The long legs and necks of giraffes make them tallest of all the mammals. At around 6 foot, the legs alone are taller than many humans. They have a distinct spotted coat, with no 2 giraffes having the exact same pattern. This means that giraffes can be individually identified from their coats, a feature that is often used in the study of wild giraffe populations. How tall can giraffes grow? On average, giraffes are between 16 and 20 feet, 4.8 to 6 meters, tall. How long is a giraffe's neck? Giraffes have long necks that can be over 6 foot, greater than 1.8 meters, in length. The reason for the long neck is debated amongst scientists, but it is useful for reaching food at the top of tall trees. The added height is good for spotting approaching predators, and males use their long necks to compete with other males, a fight known as necking. Male giraffes swing their long necks and repeatedly headbutt the other's body. Males with longer and stronger necks tend to win these fights, and often get the female. It is thought therefore, that longer necks may also help when attracting females. Where do giraffes live? Giraffes inhabit the open plains, grasslands, and savannas of Africa. They are most common in southern and eastern Africa, but some smaller, more isolated populations live in western and central Africa. What do giraffes eat? Giraffes are browsers, so use their long neck to feed on the leaves, shoots, and fruits of tall bushes and trees. They feed on a variety of plants and diet varies depending on location and season, but acacia leaves and shoots are most common. Do giraffes have teeth? Yes. Giraffes have 32 teeth, the same number as humans. However, their mouths look very different to ours. Teeth are located at the front of the bottom jaw, but only at the back of the top jaw. Instead of teeth, they have a lump of tissue known as a hard plate, or dental pad, at the top of their mouths, which helps them to grip the leaves. How long is a giraffe's tongue? Giraffe tongues are long, reaching around 20 to 21 in, 50 to 53 centimeters, in length. Giraffe tongues and lips are tough and specially adapted to allow giraffes to forage on trees that other animals would avoid, such as acacias, which are very thorny. What color is a giraffe's tongue? Giraffe tongues are dark bluish in color, which is thought to be a form of sun protection. How do giraffes give birth? Giraffes are polygamous, so a few males mate with one female. Females tend to give birth to a single calf around 400 to 460 days after mating. Females give birth whilst standing up. How much do giraffes sleep? Giraffes have one of the shortest sleep requirements of any mammal, and will only sleep for around 4 hours a day. They sleep either laying down with their necks resting on their bodies, or standing up. Sleep occurs in short intervals, sometimes less than a minute. Number 5. Bear. Like human children, bear cubs are extremely playful, and just like human mothers, if things get too rough, mother bears will make them stop to protect them from hurting themselves. Amazing facts about the bear. Bears are extraordinarily intelligent animals. They have far superior navigation skills to humans, excellent memories, large brain-to-body ratio, and use tools in various contexts from play to hunting. Bears grieve deeply for others. Cubs are known to moan and cry when separated from their mothers. This can go on for weeks if their mothers are killed by hunters. Bears have excellent senses of smell, sight and hearing. They can smell food, cubs, a mate or predators from miles away. Their great eyesight allows them to detect when fruits are ripe. Some species of Asiatic bear build nests in the trees. They can use these for hiding, eating and even sleeping. Bears and human culture. Bears were often honored in the cultures of many early civilizations. They were seen as a symbol of power, strength and love. Vikings and the Celts have many legends about the strength, protectiveness and prowess of bears. The bear is a common national personification for Russia, and the former USSR, and Germany. The brown bear is Finland's national animal.